Hello guys, let's solve this question. We have an equation and in the equation telling us f minus 30 should be less than 0, f minus 10 should be greater than 0, f 20 should be less than 0, a should be greater than b. What's minimum possible a minus b? So to solve this question, we should draw x1 plane. So like this. And we have x at minus 30. So our minus 30. And we have at minus 10 too. And we have at 20. So from here, um, we should our a should be less than b. We should find a minus b's minimum value. So from here, let me explain this one. Minus x minus a. This is in factor form, guys. This means we can equalize to 0 and find our a value, our x value. Our x will be minus a. This is x-intercept solution, guys. We can find here 2x minus b equals to 0. From here we can find our b, our x, our solution is a minus a and b. So from here we can draw the graph from given the information. How we can draw it? And at minus 30 our graph should be less than 0. So it should look like this, guys. Let me draw. It should look like this. So it is when f minus 30 is here, which is less than 0. Here our 0 less. So at f minus 10 it should be greater than 0. Here, look at you guys. Here f minus 10 we have greater. So I'm telling us f20 it should be less. So let's draw. It should be look like this. And here if you look at here our less than 0 again. So we draw correctly. Next thing what we're gonna do, we found our solution minus a and b, so which means our x-intercept. So here our x-intercepts, guys. This one intercept and next intercept, but we don't know from which point it crosses. So from here we can take numbers, like we don't gonna take minus 30, we can take minus 90 until minus 11, and because here tell us f minus 10 it should be greater than 0. This means it doesn't cross at minus 10, never. So and we can take x-intercept to this in this side, and from minus 9 to until 19. We can take f20 because it tells f20 should be less than, so here less, so it should be in this between these numbers. And question asks us we should find a minus b smallest minimum possible. So we can take from the greatest minus value minus 29, and we can take 19 the greatest value of here, and when you put 19 here in b, here we have minus, so you get minus 19. So when you add you get minus 48, so which is the smallest minimum possible value a minus b. So this one. So if you take, like, let's say you take minus 29 again, and you take, like, for example 18, you can take 18 too, but you don't gonna get like minimum possible. So this is our minimum possible a minus b value.